good morning and good afternoon, fellow crafters. This is such a great craft to close out our summer reading program with, because of course we've been talking about ocean conservancy, ways that we can keep the oceans clean and beautiful for all of the future generations. So this is a 3D ocean craft. It is so cute. And of course, it's beautiful and blue, and the fish are very happy because the ocean is clean. So how do you make this craft? Well, let me tell you. Inside your goodie bag should be just about the only thing you have left in there at this point. You're going to find the templates that you will need for this. It is 3 sheets of paper. And you're gonna find 5 different sheets of colored construction paper in there as well. And you're gonna get a couple strips of foam, and that is the secret to making this craft 3D. So the first thing I did is I took this top sheet and I colored in all of the cute little fish and coral and sea plants that I wanted to be in my picture. So I colored those. Get your crayons, and I cut them out. Got your scissors. So the rest of this, these are just the templates that you are going to use to cut out your different sizes that you need to make it look smaller or bigger. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take each one, and you can put them in whatever color order you like, but you'll cut out that shape, you'll put it on your piece of paper and cut that part out. And then you'll go to your next biggest hole, next one, next one, next one. Obviously, your smallest one is going to be on the back, and the largest opening will be on the front. And then in between those layers, I don't know if you can see it really well, but I've cut my foam down to different sizes depending on how much paper I have to work with there. So you can cut your foam into little squares, and you will just glue those, and you can use traditional craft glue or a glue stick, whatever you have handy. You'll just glue that down, do one layer, glue that down, add another layer until, like I said, you've got your largest opening right there on the front. And that is when I added all of my cool little fishies and ocean plants to it. So this is a lot of fun, and it's a great reminder. You can put it somewhere where you can look at all the time to remind yourself to do everything you can to keep the oceans alive. Thank you so much for joining us this summer and making all of the fun crafts along with us. We hope you had a great time, and we will see you soon at the Maitland Public Library. Bye.